Hey everyone, welcome back to our Notion tutorial series. Today, we're diving into episode 519, How to Hyperlink in Notion for 2025. If you're building databases, notes, or wikis, hyperlinking is a game changer for connecting ideas quickly and keeping your workspace organized. By the end of this video, you'll be linking like a pro, saving tons of time. Let's jump right in. First, open your Notion app or head to notion.so and navigate to the page where you want to add a hyperlink. The process is straightforward and works on both desktop and mobile, though it's easiest on a computer. Start by typing out the text you want to turn into a link. For example, check this out. Select that text by highlighting it with your cursor. Next, right-click on the selected text or use a keyboard shortcut to open the link menu. On Mac, press Command+K. On Windows, it's Control+K. This brings up a pop-up where you can enter your link details. For an external hyperlink, like to a website, simply paste the URL into the field and hit Enter. Notion will automatically format it as a clickable blue link. If you're linking to something internal, like another page in your Notion workspace, type or paste the URL in the same menu, or use the search bar to find the page directly. Notion makes this easy by suggesting matches from your database. Once you select it, the link is created instantly. A quick tip: if you're hyperlinking images or blocks, select the element first and follow the same steps. Also, watch out for common pitfalls, like typing the wrong URL or forgetting to save your page. Always preview your links to ensure they work. There you have it. Hyperlinking in Notion is simple once you get the hang of it, and it'll make your notes way more interactive. Give it a try in your own workspace and see the difference. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 Notion tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.